Hey, what's up? My name is Jeannide, and I got what you need, baby. Today, we're about to get into these press-on nails, how to apply press-on nails for small nail beds so they can look like you came right out the salon, honey. Like salon quality, quarantine style, all of that. So you hear that sound? That's the sound of the nails of a bad bee. Okay, so you're going to need some rubbing alcohol and or acetone. Some Maximus Speed glue by Kiss. This is super important. You need this glue. This glue is a game changer, and you're going to need your nail set of choice. I chose the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-Ons in this nice nude color, and these nails are matte. These are about to be my go-to set. I love them. This looks like a cup of milk, but it's not a cup of milk. It's some lotion because I'm obviously ashy, if you noticed from the very beginning of this video. So off camera, I removed my nail polish with the acetone, and then I washed my hands because that's super important. Wash your hands, guys, especially during this time that we're in right now. So this set includes a nail file and a cuticle pusher, which we'll be using soon. But this nail file, just go ahead and file your nails down, you know. I barely have any nails to file, but I'm going to file my nails anyway. And then the cuticle pusher. Now, this cuticle pusher, this is honestly a very critical step. This is what's going to separate, your nails from looking like they're just press-ons to actually looking like you came out of a salon. So, you got to push your cuticles all the way back to give you a nice salon quality finish to your fingernails, to your nails, to your fingers, whatever. So yeah, you just gotta push them down, and this part kind of looks gross. Ew, I see all this cuticle peeling in different directions. It look nasty as what, but that's why after this I'm gonna like nail file everything so that excess cuticle that's like peeling off could like just come off. The other day I was on FaceTime with someone, and he was like, oh, your nails are nice. And he really thought I got them done at a salon, but no, they're press-ons. And then he was like, so you just do it all, huh? Because I had my makeup done that day too. And I was just like, yeah, I guess so. So yes, do this technique, watch this video so you can learn more about, knowing how to make your press-ons look like they're salon quality. I'm using the rubbing alcohol to really clean my nails off again. Now I'm just starting to figure out which press-on nail fits best with my actual real nail. It took me a while to figure out the thumbs, to be honest. I guess you can see. I was trying to see which one was longer. One looks longer than the other, honey. I put one of them away, I think. I hope. I was like, what's going on? Oh, see, thank you. I put that one back because that one was bigger. It was bigger than the other ones. So since this is a nail video geared towards girls like me who have small nail beds, I'm not going to sit here and say if you do this technique, like if you do everything, your nails are going to last 3 weeks. Like all 10 of your press-on nails are going to stay on for at least 3 weeks. I'm not going to sit here and say that. If you have long, like normal size nail beds, these nails should last about 3 weeks. To be honest, I'll have my nails, and like after about 12 to 24 hours, I'll have one pop off because we take showers twice a day over here. If your hands are gonna be under some water, and my showers be kind of long, so yeah, I'll have one come off, but I can easily glue it back, and the rest of the nails will be perfectly fine. Even to this day. Today's Saturday. I made this video about. What day was it? Thursday, Wednesday? I got all of them still on. Between these past, I guess, 3 days, only 2 have fallen off. But I was able to, put them back on. It's no big deal. So, it's all good in the hood. Now, this part is also important because it's also going to set your nails apart from looking like regular press-ons to salon quality. You really, really, really have to, file the edge of each press-on nail down, because it's like some point or whatever, it protrudes out of the nail, so you have to file that down so your edge could be flat. For these sets, there are two options. You can either use adhesive tabs or just use nail glue. Just use the nail glue. It gives you the option to use adhesive tabs, but since I have small nail beds, those adhesive tabs are just too big for my nail beds, of course. I tried using them like about a week ago, but there was always this kind of extra film, like this extra tab that will be around the nail. So now I just use the glue and press on, whatchamacallit. You have to compress the press-on nail to your real nail with the glue on for about 30 seconds for each nail. So that's super important. And even the directions say that. Do it for, like, hold it for at least 30 seconds and then release it. Now, what else do I have to say? Oh, I have to say, don't wash your hands yet. Like, honestly, you should do this after you're done brushing your teeth at night, after you're done showering at night, so your nails, because you can't wash your hands or have your hands in water after this. You can't, like, so they can last longer too. So it's best for you to do this at night after you shower and after you brush your teeth and whatnot, right before you go to bed, because your hands are not going to be in water when you're sleeping, or whatever. You won't be moving around too much either, just soon before bedtime you should do this, because after you glue these nails down, and even the directions on the box for the Kiss nail set, it says this: you can't, like, wash your hands or have your hands in water for at least 2 hours, it says. So and then this is the final step. Just wash washing your hands. Just lotion your hands up, because from the beginning you saw that I was ashy. So I know some of these girls, I've seen some of these videos too, these nail videos too, don't talk about lotioning their hands, but they need to lotion their hands, okay? Because some girls on Instagram, they have nice nails on, but they be ashy as what? So put some lotion on. Don't forget that. That's also super important. Even after you're done getting your nails done at the salons, they always put lotion on my hands too at the salon. So that's it. That's my nail tutorial, press-on nail tutorial, how to apply press-ons, salon quality style, quarantine style. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. That's how we do it. Yeah, that's it.